What's going on, everybody? I've got a case video for you today. It's still Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra season, and it is time to check out this case from Pitaka. Now, if you know me and you know this channel, you know that I prefer, let's say, more premium materials on cases. I mean, if you're getting a premium phone, spending good money on it, you kind of want to feel a premium material and look at a premium material as well with how you protect that phone, unless you go caseless, of course. And that means, for me, either leather or carbon or Aramid fiber. So I'm always excited for a Pitaka case. And I'll tell you what, if you run a YouTube channel, you get emails every single day asking, to showcase a specific product on your channel. And as you see, I don't do that. And then there are products that you were probably going to buy anyway, and the Pitaka qualifies as that. So they sent this one in, and I'm really grateful that they did. It's in my favorite pattern, the sunset, beautiful colors, and some pretty cool extra nifty features here called the Aramid button, and we're going to go over that as well. They also threw in this Pitaka MagSafe phone ring holder, and these of course will pair perfectly with the fact that I have a Pitaka MagSafe phone mount in my car. So a nice little ecosystem Pitaka is building here for their iPhone and Galaxy cases and accessories. So let's get right to it. Front of the box, a nice little textured illustration of the case you got. Same with the Pitaka logo. You can actually feel it. On the bottom, it mentions the military grade protection you get with the Aramid fiber. Woven from aerospace grade material, it says. And of course, it mentions what they call the Aramid button. The sides here, more mention of that. The legendary Aramid fiber written on the side there, and on the back it's got the colorway that you ordered in and some more on the material. Woven from aero-grade Aramid fiber, a material that is 5 times stronger yet lighter than steel. Through Pitaka self-developing polymer formulation and microstructural surface modification, the phone case features exceptional durability, lightness, resistance against scratches, and discoloration. A premium touch. All right, let's get to it here. You can just open it from the side here. Is there a magnetic component to this case? Not sure. It felt like it. And let's go. Pull this out here. There we go. So what do we get with this here? It's just all right. Everything that we get is already been pulled out here. So to Aaron, information is power, but like all power, there are those who want to keep it for themselves. Okay, Aaron Swartz. About the Aramid button, named in honor of programmer and activist Aaron Swartz. The Aramid button continues his vision of removing barriers and empowering people through open access. With one-touch activation to any app or action you choose, it turns everyday interactions into moments where creativity and effortless efficiency come together. All right, pretty cool. And here is the QR code here for downloading the app you need to use that Aramid button. File these off to the side, and we shall check out our Pitaka case here. That's real nice. Exactly how you would feel, how you would expect a premium Aramid fiber to feel. You've got a sort of a brownish, goldish color along the edges. Again, really nice and complements the design on the back. And in addition to that, the buttons are a metallic gold. Again, very pretty. They match very well here. All right, and you see that protection around the camera housing. It's also a mix of those two materials, that Aramid fiber and metal. I think you can see that there. You've got your cutouts. And looks like it's going to be some good protection here. Quick note as well, I got rid of my Samsung MagSafe silicone case, or magnetic silicone case. A lot of you got that with the phone as a gift. It already tore right about where the S Pen is. Not completely torn through, but there was a crack already, maybe 10 days into use of the case. I barely even used the S Pen, so you're going to catch that if you look at some of the reviews online for that. So got rid of that. I think this is going to be a much, much better experience. I had been using a leather case since that I love as well. I'll do a leather case video a little bit later, but really nice. You see the inside of the case as well. It says Pitaka, carry lighter, live now, and There you go. Some copyright information. And it just looks really well made structurally here. Good job from Pitaka. So far, let's try it out here. So, put our Galaxy S26 Ultra in here. And looks like a perfect fit from the front. Buttons, very easy to click. Very, very clicky. And of course, some cases have like a sort of accidental touch protection where the resistance is stronger. These buttons are very, very easy to click. Very little resistance. Clicking is perfect. Hopefully the mic is picking that up. On the side, you see how that looks. On the back, you see that pairing. Of course, I've got that Shadow Silver S26 Ultra. Cutouts absolutely perfect around the camera. As you can see there, no problems whatsoever. You got some Pitaka branding in gold on the bottom on the back. Kind of stamped on there a little bit. There's no texture to it. Looks good though. And on the bottom, again, cutouts absolutely perfect. As you can see, S Pen comes out, no problemo. Put that back inside there. Really, really nice. I like it. You see the protection there. There's that bump. No problems whatsoever. If you're laying that down, of course, there's still a little bit of a wobble because of the design of the phone, but I feel like this actually reduces the wobble a little bit, as opposed to how it feels caseless, for example, or with a few other cases. Get into our phone here, and again, testing the buttons. Everything is perfect. How about we test wireless charging real quick? And boom. You see the animation pop up, top and bottom, wireless charging. No problem with this case. So let's check out how the MagSafe is on this case. We're going to use this Pitaka MagSafe phone ring holder. And pull that out. And there you have it. It says Sunset on it, the name of the colorway. A nice heavy metallic ring here. And you can actually pull that out and extend it a little bit more than most of these. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's turn this phone around and see how this latches on. And, oh, there we go. We got that lock. You heard that. That was loud and that's sturdy. All right, shake test. That's pretty strong. Awesome. All right, no problems there with the MagSafe or with this ring here from Pitaka, the MagSafe phone ring holder. So you can get it and match it with the colorway you get. I don't know if they have it for every colorway, but they do have it for multiple colorways. And that's just perfect. I really like it. And again, you can open this up multiple ways, however you're comfortable, however you want to use it. And that just works awesome. I even know some people who use this not just as a stand, but they'll use it to like hang it somewhere, believe it or not, even in the shower, away from water. I'm not recommending that, but if they wanted to watch something and they couldn't really stand it up anywhere, you know, you might have these metal racks for your shampoo and stuff. And I know some people who use these to that effect. But anyway, many ways you can use this. That looks fantastic together. Check that out. Just real nice. So you get form, function, and we all like a little beauty with our form and function. Premium materials to boot. And by the way, I'm going to have links in the description to where you can pick both of these up. So how about we check out our errand button? So I've never done this before. Let's see how easy or not easy it is. So we've got a QR code here. I'll go to scan QR code. And do that on the camera, hopefully. There we go. Code scanned. Press the button. And it takes you to a page from Pitaka to download the Errand Button app, as previously mentioned. So let's do that. And there's the Galaxy Store and the Aaron button. Let's install that. All right, so it opens up a page to the Galaxy Store for the Aaron app. Let's install that. It is installing. We'll see how easy that is. Seen a couple of videos online about usage of the Aaron app, and it looked pretty cool. So let's open it up here. You got to have NFC on, by the way. So let me make sure I've got NFC on. It's typically on by default. Not everybody keeps it on. All right, I've got NFC on. You can sign in or use it in guest mode. I'll just use it in guest mode for the purposes of this video. All right, open app. So I can use this to open an app, for example, or you can use it for a bunch of different stuff. Let's see here. I open Spotify a lot. Let's go down to Spotify. I'll select Spotify there, put add, and then you've got 3 Aaron buttons here. I'm going to use the top one of the 3. Press and hold. Setup successful. And it launched my Spotify just like that. Awesome. All right. So let's go back to the Aaron app and let's see what else you can do. So not just open an app, you can do something like open your flashlight, which is pretty popular, rotate screen, open your navigation. I might do that. You can do little tasks like add to calendar, voice recorder. You can play around with this as you like. You see there's a bunch of stuff you can do. You can send a text. There's launch your music. That's the first thing I did. Let me do a second button just to check out how that is. And I'll go to maps here, add that, press and hold the second Aaron button. Boom, setup successful. That is fantastic. So as you see there, works like a charm every single time. Press this. Whoop, there it is. And boom, I mean, you've got another very good reason to get this case besides protection and looks and material. And guys, I think that just about covers it. Super easy to use that Aaron button. This has been the Pitaka Aramid fiber case with Aaron button, and of course with that aerospace grade material and military grade protection, as well as the magnetic ring holder. Again, an extremely tough lock here with MagSafe. Links in the description once again for where you can pick these up. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments section. And as always, get subscribed if you want more mobile tech videos like this to drop into your feed. I'll catch you in the next one.